Dear students, NCERT Mathematics Chapter 13 Surface Areas and Volumes. In MCQ series, in this particular chapter, here we prepared 10 MCQ with the 4 options. You identify the correct one and write down in the plain paper, and end of this video you have to verify your answers. Okay, so let's start with the question 1 for this particular chapter's MCQ. The first one is, if we join two hemispheres of same radius along their bases, then we get a cone, cylinder, sphere or cuboid. So identify the correct answers and write down in a plain paper against the question 1. Now next question, question number 2. A tank is made up of shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical depressions at one end. The height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter and radius is 30 centimeter. The total surface area of the tank is, you have to identify the total surface area of the tank. So in rough page you calculate your answers, and at the time of calculation you pause this video, and after the calculation and getting the correct answer, compare with this option is 30 meter, 3.3 meter, 30.3 meters or 3300 meter, and choose the correct one and write down in a paper. So this is your question 2. Now for the question 3. If a cylinder is covered by two hemisphere shape lid of equal shape, then the total curved surface area of the new object will be. So draw the figure and find out the particular options from the formula 4 pi rh plus 2 pi r square, 4 pi rh minus 2 pi r square, 2 pi rh plus 4 pi r square, 2 pi rh plus 4 pi r. So find out the correct options and write down. Now next question 4. So now the radius of the top and bottom of the bucket of the slant height 35 centimeter are 25 centimeter and 8 centimeter. The curved surface of the bucket is, you identify the curved surface of the bucket is 4000 square centimeter, 3500 square centimeter, 3630 square centimeter, 3750 square centimeter. So draw the figure first and calculate with the help of formula and identify the correct options, either A, B, C or D, and write down against the question number 4. Now move to next question number 5. 15 solid spheres are made by melting a solid metallic cone of base diameter 2 cm and height is 15 cm. The radius of each sphere is, you identify the radius of each sphere, 1/2, 1/4, 1/3 root 2, 1/3 root 4. So identify this particular options A, B, C or D. At the time of calculations you have to pause the video. After getting the correct answers you can be proceed for the next questions. Here is the next question 6. If we change the shape of an object from a sphere to a cylinder, then the volume of cylinder will, so increase, decrease, remaining unchanged or double. So you have to find out the correct options A, B, C or D. Okay. Now next question number 7. If R is the radius of the sphere, then the surface area of the sphere is given by. So if you know the area, surface area formula is 4 pi r square, 2 pi r square, pi r square or 4/3 pi r square. It's very easy. You identify the correct option and write down in the paper against the question 7. Now in question 8. If we cut a cone in two parts by a plane parallel to the base, then the bottom part left over is the. Listen carefully and draw the diagrams and understood and find out the correct option is the cone, frustums of cone or sphere or cylinder. So choose the correct options and write down against the question 8. Now for the next question 9. Here is the 9. If a cone is cut parallel to the base of its by a plane in two parts, then the shape of the top of the cone will be a, so similar to previous questions, but here some condition is changed. You have to identify the correct option. It's a sphere, cube, cone itself, or cylinder. So identify the correct options, either A, B, C or D, and write down against the 9. Now the last questions, question number 10. The shape of an ice cream cone is a combination of, so you very well known, sphere plus cylinder, sphere plus cone, hemisphere plus cylinder, or hemisphere plus cone. So this is your particular 10 questions. You identify the 10 correct options in form of ABCD. Now you just compare with the correct options in the next slide. Here is your compare 1 to C, like to 10 to D in form of ABCD. Okay, thank you.